Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to use DOSBox. The very first thing I'm going to show to you is that DOSBox interacts with Windows directories just like normal, as though you were sitting at Windows except with a DOS interface. I'm going to open up my computer, and on my C drive I've created a text file just as dos.txt. As you can see, it says this file is being displayed in DOS even though it was created in Windows. So let's run DOSBox. Once DOSBox is up, the very first thing that we have to do is mount a directory that it's going to use as the C drive. To do so, just type the mount command, space. We're going to give it the drive letter of C, space. Now give it the folder that we're going to use as the C drive. I'm just going to go to C:/ on my desktop. So it's showing you now that drive C is mounted as local directory C. We can go to our C drive by saying C:/, and you can run any command that you could in DOS normally. Just type dir, for instance. As you can see, we get a directory listing from our C drive. To show that those files are interacting, I'm going to give the command type dos.txt. That's the text file that I just opened up a moment ago. And it is displaying this file is being displayed in DOS even though it was created in Windows. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to use DOSBox.